All right, today we're going to bring a Type C to Type C cable, and you get two of these. And if you guys notice, they give you a long extension. I'm going to put the description of how long they are. Now, on the actual system itself, I'm going to show you guys, you get an L-shaped one version, and then you get the straight out. So this is perfect for those little tight areas that you have to connect, especially laptops. You want to connect keyboards or maybe even power them up. This is perfect for my Samsung Galaxy phone that I have. That normally I hate to add this one. I had a phone broken from actually having a straight out. Something hit the actual system and it broke off the actual Type C inside and it wasn't able to work. So I ended up replacing. Now with this one, I'm able to avoid that because it's actually structured a little bit more into the actual phone, and the external is gonna pop out if it hits out there. So this is perfect for those that that want to travel and want to have extra cable or long cable, or you have a digital camera that's a Type C to Type C. This is perfect. All the new devices are coming out with this Type C to Type C. So let's test it out and see how well it works and how it looks on a phone and other devices. Here's the actual cable. I forgot to mention that it has an extra protection here so it won't bend and break off the actual Type C connection on the USB part. I like that they give you this Velcro tie down so you can actually keep your cable not tangle free, and then just put it away at any time you are not using it too. So the way it works, I like it because if you guys notice, I have a thick case on my actual, this is a Samsung 23 Ultra, and it's a thick case, and normally these don't fit in very well. You have to remove the case, but in this case, I'm gonna show you guys that it just connects automatically. It just starts charging. And you have an extra area, if you guys can see it, there's plenty of clearance for it right now. And I'm 100% right now because I had it plug in all day pretty much. So this is my actual laptop that I have, and look at this. You get that clearance. So the cable could go either to the front, connected to the front, or if you want to switch it, you can actually send it to the back, send it back there. Best part, if you're going to ever connect the Steam Deck too, you can always connect the Steam Deck either to the left. If you guys can see, I'm charging it right now to the left or to the right. You can bend it either way. It's not bendable, but you could twist it either way. So if it's on your way, and instead of sticking out like other devices, like it actually has a device, I'm gonna show you how it sticks out. So if you have a device that's a little thicker, maybe sticking out, you're more likely to break it easier like that way. And especially something like this, a device like this. So look at the profile of it. It's very thin. It's all the way in. So in here, if we put the regular one, look how much we have. So clearance is about almost 2 inches on that one compared to half an inch, right? So very simple, easy to use the cable. Hope you guys enjoy the video.